Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! Welcome to another Saturday morning show. I'm your host Gary G, and this week we start a brand new build, the Lil Red Corvette, and received a little package from Georgia. But first, as always, the riddle! What was the inspiration for the brand name Corvette? A. An airplane, B. A warship, or C. An animal? The answer is always the end of a show. This week we start a brand new build. It's gonna be a Corvette, and as cherry on top, we're gonna make some butterfly doors. But first things first, see how all started down in the garage. Yeah, first thing here in the garage, we wanted the rear tires have a little bit more meat, and that's what we're doing first here. Next step, we're gonna glue together the differential and take care on the rear axle. Time for the front. Now I'm ready for some side skirts. We were not 100% satisfied with the front, so we tried to give it a little bit of fresher look with the front spoiler. I decided to have some butterfly or scissor doors on this Corvette, and of course it starts by cutting out the doors. But that's all for now. Now back to the studio. This week I received a package from Georgia, and I ordered a lot of stuff. Let's see what they sent it to me. Oh, it's a Tweety Pie. Yes, that's gonna be a nice build. Like that. I was looking for that a long time. And I actually ordered a lot of stuff for scratch building. Let's see what I got. Oh yeah, We have some rods, some more rods, and all different sizes. Oh yes, that's cool. That'll help me a lot. Yep, that's good. And what else? Oh yeah, that one, I wanted to have that a long time. It's gonna be awesome. And last and least, a 4T. Yeah, so that's my little package from Georgia. But now, to the riddle. Corvette, what a sweet name. The tale says that an employee found that name by looking in a dictionary. But what was the inspiring subject? See in the riddle. Well, another Saturday morning show comes to an end. Well, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday. Keep on building those awesome models out there, my friends. Now, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks. Red Corvette, and as a cherry on topping of the cake, it's gonna have some butterfly doors. Isn't that not the saying, like cherry on top of the cake?
It's the cherry on top or the icing on the cake.
Okay, well, so it's the cherry on top then, I guess. We have to do another one.